How to delete account access on Google. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove or delete apps and services that has access to your Google account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're not sure what I mean is that whenever you actually sometimes you take into a page to sign up for specific things, and then instead of just signing up to the whole process, you just select the option called signing up with Google or login with Google, anything as such. And just like that, over time, many of the accounts and many of the websites and services apps might have access to your Google account, which is basically very risky. And now let's assume that you want to delete those access from your Google account. Well, fortunately it is very simple to do that. So first, just go ahead and launch any of the Google application. It could be Gmail, it could be Google, it could be Google Photos or anything. I'll just select Gmail for this example, and all I have to do is tap on my profile icon on the top right hand side of my Google account. No matter on whichever Google app you're using, you'll find your Google profile photo on the top right. So just tap on your profile photo and just select the option called manage your Google account. Once you're taken to the manage your Google account page, here you have to go to the option called security. So as you can see over here, and as you go to security, here basically you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you find the app option called third-party apps with account access. So that's exactly what I've been telling you, and it means that some of the services and website has access to my Google account. In my case, it's 15 plus more, because most of the times I just continue with Google. And what I have to do is, in order to remove either of these, I'll just select the option called manage third-party access. And as soon as I do that, you'll be able to see a list of all of the apps and services, games, plugins that has access to my Google account. To remove either of these, just select one. Once you select it, you'll find the option called remove access. So just tap on the remove access button. It will ask you for a confirmation, but that's exactly what we want to do. We just want to go ahead and then confirm the changes. Now you can repeat the process for any of the other accounts that you want to remove. That's all it takes to delete your Google account access for apps and services. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.